I don't send the insight via email. I just say, I have an idea, I wanted to get your opinion on it, or there's something going. I do the insight verbally. Here's the reason. People don't respond to that. They just go, thanks. And it could be the best insight in the world, which then leaves me to, I'm like, crap. Now I have to write another email that goes, how are you dealing with that? Right? It's just not, now it's too much work for them to type. So I only deliver the insight over the phone or live, right? And live's dead. We're going to do it over the phone, but that's where I do. Now on attachments, after I've delivered the insight, I try and keep it as little as possible, because that now we're drifting into like science fair land, right? And we're not in school anymore. You don't have to build a diorama. Now if Nick says, man, on those numbers, where did you get those numbers? Man, yeah, it's interesting you say that, because we got it from the National Logistics, there's a research report. Right? Can you shoot me over those numbers? In terms of the numbers, what specifically were you looking for? Oh, the paragraph that says it's gone up 18%. Perfect. I'll just copy that paragraph, shoot it over to you. Fair enough? Right? Like quantify what you're giving them, because otherwise it's going to drift off into, did you get a chance to read the white paper? Right? Like, and then it's like, no. And now it's 2082 and they still haven't read the white paper. So less is more with the supporting documents. Make Nick tell you what Nick wants to see. And then when Nick says, I want to see that, double down and say, when you say you want to see that, can you give me a specific example of what you wanted to see? And then he's going to say, well, I just wanted to see bop, 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 bop. Make it easy for him, right? Instead of sending the whole thing, why don't I just, I'll copy and paste that paragraph. Perfect, that'd be awesome, right? It makes it a lot easier. I'm not sure if it's for you, but if you work in sales and you absolutely positively have to double or triple the amount of money you're making in order to truly enjoy your life, click the link here. My name's Matt Easton. I'm the founder of Easton University. It's the most effective sales coaching in the world. Click the link here, check it out. You're gonna see we'll give you access to an on-demand learning portal that's gonna give you video coaching with me on everything you need to know to double or triple your income, or even more. Everything from prospecting to closing to handling objections and complaints to building your personal network and self-confidence, but it doesn't stop there. Click the link here. You're gonna see that when you get a membership to Easton University, you're also gonna have the ability to do live coaching with me twice a week. You can ask me any questions. We can work through anything you're struggling with. I will be there with you every step of the way to help you double your income in sales right now. Click the link now. You're gonna see we've helped thousands of people just like you, and we have the video testimonials from them to prove it. Easton University is more than a learning portal. It's more than live coaching with me. It's your future, and you and your future are worth it. Click the link now. I'll see you at Easton University.